What up, guys? Jason Guyman here today, and I am going to show you how we are going to build out this rig right here next to me. Of building this rig in just only 3 days of building a rig here in New York. And yes, I am in New York, and yes, it is snowing out here, and there we go. It is snowing out here, and this is the rig that we are going to build. Yes, you can see the snow out here behind me. And as we build this rig, you are going to see that everything that we need to be able to build out this rig here in New York. And so we are going to be putting a gas pump in. We're going to be putting a big tank in this. We're going to be putting everything, and I will show you all the stuff that you need to do to be able to do this. Yes, I'm building it with Rick up here with US Vets Exterior Cleaning. And so with this is what you are going to watch piece by piece of everything of how we plan, how we do everything to get everything built for your pressure washing rig. Again, this is the stuff that you got to do to pre-plan to make sure that you got all the stuff in where you need it at, right? You got your hose reels will be here. These are not these are the general pump hose reels. These are the cheap hose reels. And this will be kind of a storage for stuff that you don't use that often that you can put up in here. He's got skinny guys, so they'll all be able to slide in between here. So these are things that you got to look at as we are pre-planning for this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will start looking at what all fittings that we got to go buy and need so we know what it is. We got to figure out how we're going to mount it. We're going to probably use the U-hooks to mount on the tank right here. You can see on the bottom of the tank. We're gonna mount this big 275 gallon tote, and then we'll strap the 100 gallon to the tote. Is kind of what I'm thinking. I may run a 2x4 or something on the front of it just so it can't push forward and backwards, and then we'll put a strap on it. So I'll put a 2x4 down here at the bottom so that way it can't go sliding back and forth, and then the strap is only so that it doesn't fall over, would be the goal of that. So that's how we will mount that tank in there. Again, you can see that this is like a puzzle piece. You can't pull too much forward because you got to get in behind here. But I do want to try to keep the weight distribution as far up on this axle as I can. And I may even pull these up a little bit more, meaning that we're gonna put that other stuff back there. So that way we keep all the weight in the front of this, but you really want it over the axle. You can get a little bit forward, but the better off it's on the axle, the better off you will be as you are doing this. So again, this is all the pre-planning of what you need to do, figure out where you want to go at, start unboxing everything, and place it where you want it to. I know a lot of times we can do like a computer screen and place it, but sometimes it's best to get in here and make sure that we have it at the right places, at the right things that we need to do.